Welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Today's tip is how to make tickets. So, all you need to do is cut a strip of paper in your pretty paper that you would like to use. And then I made this one about 1 inch wide. It could be a little bit wider if you like, whatever size you like. But if you don't have a ticket punch, don't worry about it. Or if you don't have a die cut, it's no problem. First thing you're going to do is you're going to I'm using a quilted piece of fabric like I showed you yesterday, and it's doubled over so it's twice the thickness. I'm using a tracing wheel with deep cuts in here, and I've cut my strip, and all I need to do now is just gauge it. Tickets are, how long. Just make a straight little cut across, and then do it again. You can have them different sizes, but you can make a little strip roll like this. Now remember that tickets normally may have a little cut in. Now if you don't like to cut that out by hand, here's a trick to help you with that. I have this multi-punch. This is a We Are Memory Keepers, and it has anywhere from 1/8 or 1/16 to 5/16. It gives you a variety of sizes. I did get mine at I think I got mine at Hobby Lobby, but they have them at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, wherever. So you're going to try to hit right in the middle of the middle here and the middle here, across here. So I'm going to try to stay in the light so you and I both can see. And I'm about halfway through, and you just punch it, and then you go to the other side and punch it again. And then you are, about halfway through. Am I over enough? Oops, I'm quite a bit off. That's because I couldn't see this edge here. Let me try again. Put it in my light instead of your light. Maybe that would help. So you're going to frame it up so it's halfway in here and halfway here. It's a crisscross is what you're doing with this. There we go. About right. And this is a squeaky tool. There we go. That's better. But anyway, that's you're making your ticket, and then, it'll tear apart real easily and give you a nice frame. So there you go. That's how to make your own tickets. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, then subscribe. Ring the bell if you want notifications, and I will see you next time. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy.